Headstart's all about building emotional resilience for children aged 10 to 14. So it's about how do we equip our children and young people with the skills, the self-esteem, the confidence, the strategies to be able to cope with life adversities. And they can be everyday things as well as bigger things that happen in life, because we know that life isn't easy all the time. So how do we prevent our young people from struggling with that? How do we equip them and empower them to make the changes that they need to? We designed the workshop so that we could give a visual image of what Headstart is about, but also make sure that we're finding out from children, people and the people at the conference what it is we need to know. So it was a bit of a mix really. So one of our workshops called Headstart More Than Minutes, More Than Headstart, was really the opportunity to find out from children and young people in their words what is emotional resilience, what does it mean to them, and also for parents, and how we can then use that to create might be a mural, a leaflet, a poster or something from their work from today to be able to spread the word about Headstart. So that was really key. We had a drumming workshop delivered by Creative Futures, which is one of our organisations we've commissioned as part of Headstart, and that was really to give an example of how we can build emotional resilience in all different kinds of ways. Mindfulness is another project we've commissioned, which looks at providing or giving children, young people and teachers the ways of managing their feelings, anxieties, and empowering them and giving them some skills to cope with difficult circumstances in their life. We've also had a workshop that's looked at More Than Mates in Mind, it's called, and that was a project which was asked for by our young people. They wanted something, whereas if they see a friend struggling, if they see a friend who's had a breakdown in their relationships, or they're worried about family or their exams, they can see that things aren't right, but they don't know what to do. They don't know who to turn to, how to help their friends, or consequently how to help themselves. We had a final one which was around workforce development, about how within this whole system, what part do we all play? Because everybody has a role within building children, young people's emotional well-being and resilience and mental health. We all have a role to play in terms of whether you're a parent or a friend or a professional, a school nurse, a youth worker, a GP, a CAMS worker. We all have a role to play, and so it's very much saying, okay, we all have these roles to play. What skills do we need? How do we make that happen? How do we make sure that wherever a child or young person goes, they will get those consistent messages, and they will also get the support that they need at the right time, at the right level for them?